In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an infographic for kids using Google Slides. This is a fantastic tool to make learning engaging and visually appealing for young minds. So let's get started and have some fun while we're at it. First things first, we need to head over to Google Slides. Simply open up your web browser and type in Google Slides, or if you're a regular user, you might have it bookmarked already. Once you're there, make sure you're signed into your Google account. It's necessary for accessing all of Google's suite of tools, including our slides. So if you aren't already logged in, go ahead and do that. With your credentials in hand, you're quickly on your way to designing your first infographic. Now, once you're logged in and ready to roll, navigate to the Google Slides homepage. Here you have a couple of options. You can either start fresh by clicking on a blank presentation, or if you want a bit of a head start, you might opt to choose from a variety of templates available on the platform. These templates can provide a structured aesthetic and can save you some time if you're looking for a specific layout or color scheme that catches your eye. After deciding on your presentation base, it's time to enhance our toolkit. Move your cursor to the menu at the top and click on Extensions. This will open up a new drop-down menu where you'll find Get Add-ons. Click that option and a wealth of additional tools will become available to you. In this new window, you'll want to locate Search Apps. Think of it as your gateway to all the add-ons you might need to bolster your presentation. In this search bar, type in Infographics. Having access to infographic templates will be a game changer in creating vibrant and visually structured content that kids are sure to love. When the search results come back, look for the option that says PPT Design Infographics Templates. Click on it and follow any prompts to add this tool to your Google Slides. This add-on will offer you a treasure trove of template options crafted specifically for crafting infographics. With these resources at your disposal, you'll notice your slide making process becomes much easier and more creative. That's about it for setting up your platform. Now you're all set to start designing your infographic, filled with vibrant colors, exciting fonts, and engaging images. It's always satisfying to see a dull slide transform into an exciting learning tool. Remember, the key lies in making information accessible and fun for kids, and with Google Slides and the right infographics tools, you're well equipped to do just that. Let's get started on our creative journey.